I will be staying in my dog's cage for 3 minutes. Someone just looked at me right now. People might think I'm a lunatic, but I am. The fact that there's 3 people literally right in front of where the cage is pointed at, bro. Like, I swear, they might call the cops. So I might get out. If someone sees me, I someone might see me, and if they see me, they might think, "Oh no, I'm being kidnapped." No, no, I'm not kidnapped. Just so you know, I did this voluntarily. If any of them are watching this video, well, they wouldn't do that in the first place. I'll just place you guys over here. Place you guys over here. Oops. Yeah, bro. Oh God, I remember that one time my dog pooped and then it splattered all over the walls, the floors, the cage. It was disgusting. In fact, I'm sitting in the cage that where they literally shorted all over. Bruh. No, there's someone. No. Someone might see me. Okay. I'm not sure, but I hope they didn't. Ow, my head. I hope they didn't, like, notice me. Or hear me. Although I do see one. I do see someone. That was so close for them to see me. Let's just open the cage so that they know that I did this voluntarily. Cause, like, you know, yeah, I'm a little, I'm insane. I'm an insane dude. What hell is that? Darwin? Wait, no, this says Irwin. Oh my gosh. I got that out of the camera, but I think I farted. God, I'm embarrassing myself. Truth. Oh my gosh. I'm so close to be getting out of here in this challenge. Not that challenge, but yeah. Just wait. If I stayed here for 1 hour, people would think, oh no, I'm kidnapped. I'm being used as a slave. And then 3, 2, I'm out.